good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today, we're going to use my Steelmadeusa griddle and we're going to do some chicken fajita quesadillas. If you want one of these Steelmadeusa grills, I'll go ahead and tell you about that as the video goes along. But all you got to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some chicken fajita quesadillas. Alright, so the supporting cast is pretty simple. Of course, I got my chicken breast cut up in strips here. I used 2 chicken breasts. I got some orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some onion underneath as my vegetables. Of course, you got to have your tortilla shells. Bought those from the store. I'm using 2 different types of cheeses, a queso cheese and then like a nacho taco blend type of thing. Some sour cream, of course, for some topping. Spices, seasonings, good old Lowry seasoning salt, some salt and pepper. And then I got some adobo, some Goya adobo seasoning. And then my little trick is some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. A little bit goes a long way, guys. And then we got a little bit of butter to saute some things down. But that's really all the ingredients. So let's get started putting this together. We're over here at the Steelmadeusa griddle. A little bit about the griddle before we get started. It basically just turns your stovetop into a flat top griddle in a matter of seconds. It's a sheet of steel that goes on top. It's made right here in the United States in Kansas. And I love it. So if you want one, all you have to do is click on the very first link in my description. It will take you to the website. You choose what you want to from the website. And then at the end, when you get ready to check out, you put in my code, the number 5 in Big Tone, and it'll give you 10% off whatever you purchased on the website. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit. It may help me out as well. So enough about the griddle. Let's get started cooking. So I got a little bit of butter on this side. This whole side of the grill is where I'm going to put my vegetables. So I'm pouring my vegetables out here. Just going to spread it along the side here. We're just going to let those cook down. I like my vegetables to be really cooked down for fajitas. So it's going to take a minute. So let's give it a little bit of time. Our peppers and onions are cooking up nicely. I'm going to season them up a little bit. Some black pepper. You got to season your vegetables, folks. You eat them too. A little pink Himalayan sea salt. You know how I get down with that. And we're going to throw a little bit of the Goya adobo seasoning on here. Just a little taste. There we go. Let's mix these up a little bit. Ah, yeah. Alright, we're going to let those continue to cook and we'll be back. So on this side of the griddle, I got a little bit more butter. And we're going to put our chicken right on the griddle. Just like that. Get it spread out a little bit so you cook each piece. Alright, right from Jump Street, we're going to go ahead and season them up. A little pink Himalayan sea salt. Pinch of black pepper. and some of my adobo or Goyo seasoning. And we're gonna hit it with a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. Just like that. Now I'm gonna let these cook a little bit before I put my adobo seasoning or adobo sauce on here. But we're gonna let these get a little bit more cooked through. This recipe is so easy though, guys. I got them kind of in 2 different piles on each eye. So I'm gonna add my adobo sauce to it. Just a little bit, goes a long way. I'm not using the chipotle peppers, just the adobo sauce. Just a little bit goes a long way here, guys. You don't need to use a lot. Alright, we're gonna get that mixed in there a little bit, let it cook. Ah, yeah, I can smell it. You don't need a lot of it, I can tell you. It's got a punch to it. We're gonna let that cook through. Let our chicken nicely cook through. You can see my vegetables over here. They're getting nice and charred. I like a little bit of char on them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move these to the middle. That's one of the things I love about the Steelmade, is that you got hot, warm spots on here. So I got where my eyes are. That's where it's gonna be the most heat, obviously. And then in the middle, it'll still cook a little bit and keep them definitely warm. But that's where I put my vegetables, just so I can keep them warm for me. Over here, I'll start with my tortillas in just a moment. We're gonna mix my veggies and meats together here, and we're gonna keep them right in the center of the griddle. We're gonna mix them all together. Ooh, looking good, looking good. All right, we're gonna keep those right in the center. We're gonna wait for this side to cool down, and then we're gonna throw our tortillas on here. The grill's cooled down a little bit. I'm gonna throw my tortillas on here. Put 2 in the front, 2 in the back. We're gonna make our fajita quesadillas out of these. So we're gonna let those get hot for a second, then I'm gonna put some cheese on them, my topping, some more cheese, and then we'll put the top of the tortilla on the quesadilla. All right, so we're gonna take a little bit of cheese here, queso cheese, put that on one of them. Gonna take some of our fajita mix here. Put those right on it. And then what I call the top half of the quesadilla, we're gonna put a little bit of our nacho taco blend on here. Cheese on here, just to melt that down a little bit. We're gonna let that melt up, and we'll be back in just a second. All right, so we're gonna take our tortillas and put them together, just like this. Do the same with this one. And I'm gonna take the tortilla, and we're just gonna flip them, just like that. Let those cook a little bit, let the cheese melt a little bit more, and I'm gonna plate these up for you. There you go. Easy, quick, and easy chicken fajita quesadillas on the Steelmade USA griddle. You can do it right at home, guys. If you want one of those Steelmade USA griddles, all you gotta do is click on the link in below and use my code, the number 5 Big Tone, when you check out. But hey, guys, it's looking good. Football game's waiting for me, and I can't wait to get a bite on this. Chicken fajita quesadillas. Got a little salsa, a little sour cream. I'm getting both. Boy, that adobo sauce is a must-have. You gotta have it. Hey guys, if you like this video, do me a favor. is free. All you have to do is go down, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.